Hello, my name is David Wharton.
And I'm Frances Songhurst.
And in this short video we're going to introduce you to emotional freedom techniques, or EFT for short.
So what is EFT? What can you use it for and how do you do it?
EFT is often described as an emotional version of acupuncture, but we don't use needles. Instead we stimulate various points on the body by tapping on them with our fingertips. At the same time we use words to help us explore the issue that we're working on.
I like to refer to it as a cross between Eastern and Western ideas, the Eastern part being the tapping and the Western part the discussion of the issue while we tap. Many thousands of people have found that these two things combined can give great results.
So what can EFT be used for? Well, initially used to overcome fears and phobias, people soon found that any negative emotion that can be felt can be treated with EFT. People have used EFT to treat the underlying feelings behind many everyday problems, including addictions, self-image, low self-esteem, stress, trauma and numerous others.
While these issues are obviously linked to the mind, there is no doubt that emotions have a huge impact on the health of our bodies too. Stress, for example, can have serious consequences for the body. We shouldn't be surprised then that the use of EFT can often have beneficial effects on physical symptoms too.
EFT has been used to improve the lives of those suffering from conditions as varied as hay fever or multiple sclerosis, a painful wasting or chronic fatigue. As experienced therapists, we've helped to reduce or even remove some of these symptoms with many people.
We're now going to show you a shortcut version of EFT that you can use yourself. We'll demonstrate the tapping points and examples of phrases you can use. Don't worry about remembering this, just copy us for now and we will give you details of how to receive our free worksheet.
For this demonstration we're going to use an example of back pain, but the same process can be used for whatever physical symptom you may have. You can use your own words that are appropriate to you. Just make sure that you start with even though and end with something like I accept myself.
So find a pain, strain or a tension in your body that you can work on a scale of 1 to 10, where 1 is barely noticeable and 10 is about as bad as it could possibly get. How intense is your pain? Don't worry about being exact. It's okay to guess if you need to. Make a mental note of your rating, or better still, write it down.
So let's start with the setup phrase. Tapping what we call the karate chop point, even though I have this back pain, I accept myself anyway.